Hi again. You can also use the caloric calculator to try multiple interventions, meaning that instead of just adding walking, jogging, or reducing the amount of sugar-sweetened beverages, we can see what happens when we do several things at once. So let's say that we want to see the potential average impact for high school girls if we add 5 minutes of walking per day and reduce the sugar-sweetened beverage intake by 2 cans per week. So we want to look at girls who are in high school, and we want to add 5 minutes of walking per day. And then we scroll down to reduce sugar sweetened beverage intake, and we want to reduce it by 2 cans per week. You can see that by reducing 2 cans of soda per week, you'll reduce a total of 39 kilocalories on a daily basis, and by adding a 5-minute walk, there's a caloric impact of 12 kilocalories per day. The chart above shows the impact of these two interventions in different colors. You can see that by stacking these two interventions, the caloric impact will be sufficient to return the population to the level of obesity in 2000, which is here, but not enough to return to the level of obesity in the early 1970s. To do so, we need to either increase the intensity of the interventions that we have now or add more interventions. So let's say that this group of high school girls already gets plenty of physical education time and eats relatively healthy. However, maybe we want to address screen time. On a typical day, U.S. children and youth spend over 2.5 hours watching TV. Applying this to high school girls, let's see what happens when we reduce their TV viewing by 60 minutes per day. So we scroll down to TV viewing and reduce it by 60 minutes per day. So here we can see that this has a caloric impact of 106 kilocalories per day, which is now enough to return the level of obesity to the 1970s. Research has shown that when kids watch less TV, not only are they less sedentary, but more importantly, they are exposed to less junk food advertising. Well, that's how the caloric calculator works. Now it's your turn to give it a try.